Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Michael Valino here. I'm here today at Jones Technical Institute here in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm here today inside a 1998 Peterbilt 379. I'm here to do a simulated electrical problem involving the wiper blades. As you can see, they actually do work. So I'm going to simulate a few problems so you can figure out how to solve them. I mean, you can see as when they go, like they work, like that's slow, that's intermittent, that's constant, and then I have fast speed, and I also have, like when they're not working, I can just push this button, and the sprayers take about a second or two to engage, but they do work. So, but as you can see, like the wipers don't really do much, because they need to be replaced, and all the rubber on the blades is actually tearing off. So one of the if these weren't working, one of the things that you would check first is the fuse panel down here. You would look for sometimes on these fuse panels, it usually would say like what part of the circuit that it's part of, but as you can see right here, it really doesn't say like where it is. All you see is a bunch of fuses. So in order to figure out which fuse goes with the wiper blade, with the wiper circuit, along with the wiper motors and the transmission for the wipers itself, you would have to look up a wiring diagram to figure out where your wires and fuses go for the wiper circuit. And in order to test the fuse, you would take either a DVOM and a test light, or a test light, and to use a DVOM, you would put one lead on the ground, and the other lead on either one of these metal terminals on top of the fuses. And if it shows proper voltage, you can see that the fuse is good. But if it doesn't, it means your fuse is either not working or blown. So that means that the fuse needs to be replaced. You could use a test light, which is you hook it up to the ground, and you do the same thing. You hook it up to you touch to the top part of these metal parts at the top of the fuses, and if it's a good fuse, the test light will light up. So after that, one of the other things you would have to do is go through and once you found the wiring diagram and found where the specific wires are for the wiper circuit, you would have to look around and see if there's any corroded wires, loose connections, or say broken wires. And if there's a broken wire or a corroded connection, you would have to take necessary precautions to fix that problem. And like say if you have a broken wire and it's actually fixable, you would have to get your solder gun out and solder that wire back together. But if it's corroded or loose, you would have to fix it accordingly. So like say if it's corroded, you would have to pour either a special solution on it to get the corrosion away, or if it's loose, you could just tighten down the connection to where it was, and hopefully your wiper circuit will be working properly after that. Again, my name is Michael Valino. Thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all next time.